Hi guys, today we are solving 11th phase problem of LeetCode Challenge 2021. The problem's name is maximum points you can obtain from cards. So basically we are given an array called card points and we have to calculate the maximum sum of k elements, and the condition is that in one step we can take one card from the beginning or one card from the end of the row. We have to take exactly k cards. Your score is the sum of the points of the cards you have taken, which means the first or the last element has to be present in the array sum, and the rest of the k elements we can choose from anywhere. So basically we are going to do this using sliding window. So first I thought of it and I thought it is a normal array problem. So I tried to solve it, but then I couldn't pass a lot of test cases. So then I thought of sliding window, and then I cleared a lot of test cases, mostly all of the test cases. So let's see how this goes. We will have a variable called sum equals to 0 and max sum equal to 0. Then we will have a for loop iterating through the cards point until I is less than k. So firstly, what we are going to do is we are going to consider an example. Let's say this example. We will do a dry run together as in when you're coding. So what we are doing here in the loop is we are taking the sum of first k elements. So let me write the complete loop first equals to card points of I. So basically our sum initially is 1 plus 2 plus 3 because we are taking the sum of first k elements into the sum. Now what are we going to do is int length equals to card points dot length. Then we will have the maximum which we already created. We will just change it to maximum equals to sum. We will try to find the maximum sum because that is what we have to return. So we'll do that by having the first k element sum in a variable and then taking out this element, that is k minus 1th position, and adding length minus 1th position to the sum, and check if that sum is greater than the present existing max sum. If it is greater, then we replace max sum with that sum. If not, then we just keep looping through. So let's see what happens. For int I equals to 0, I is less than k, I sum equals to sum minus card points k minus 1 minus I, because we are decrementing this position, let's say 3, and we are adding up this position, which is card points length minus 1 plus I, length plus 1 minus I. So basically what we are doing is after subtracting 3 and adding 1, we will pass through again, that is we will remove 2 and add 6 and check the sum again. So that is why we have entered I here and not just the plain k minus I, k minus 1 and length minus 1. So this will continuously keep checking, and we will check if max sum equals to max sum greater than sum. If true, then we will keep it as it is, or we will replace it with sum. Now we will do I plus plus. You can even do this here. Let's just do this there. And then finally, in the final answer, that is max sum, we will have our final answer, because we are passing through all the card points and checking from the first and the last element. Let's see if this runs. Let's see where we went wrong. Let's copy this test case and keep. Okay. So let's see our conditions again. If sum equals to, in sum equals to 0, in fact sum equals to 0. I is 0, I is less than k, I plus plus, sum plus, yeah, length card points dot length max sum equals to sum. Let's try this now. Let's try this test case. Okay, let's submit it. And our solution is accepted. I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you.